Assalamualaikum. My name is Sofia bin Jamar Tarak. I'm from kindergarten 1. Today I'm going to teach you how to make face mask without sewing it. Here with me are the materials needed to make face mask. We need the sock. Don't worry, this socks is clean, not used for a long time. Next is the glue, the scissors, and pretty designed or galaxy and astronaut. I also have here glitter, and I got this as disposable mask. Fold the socks in this way. Here, cutting the sock. Oh, now the socks is already cut. Cutting the socks again. And here it goes. Oops, I need to cut off both sides. See? After cutting, this what happened. Now it's time to put the sign. I'm making a planet Earth. Wow, they're all perfect. Now it's time to patch the got disposable mask.